Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today I'm here with a very tasty fish recipe, and it is called the Katla Komola or the orange fish curry. So let's take a look at the recipe. Fry the fishes on medium heat and do not overcook the fish. The main ingredient in this recipe is orange juice. In Bengali, we call it Komola, and so the name of this recipe is Katla Komola. Now it's time to add the orange juice to the recipe. And be careful, after adding the orange juice, do not let it boil for too long, as that will give the dish a bad taste. You can boil orange juice only up to a minute. The Katla Kamola is now ready. Do enjoy this unique recipe and let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section if you have any question regarding this recipe or if you would like to leave a feedback. or a suggestion for a future recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the Katla Komola with your family and friends.